Hello everyone, this is Ilana and I'm back with lesson number 2 at the Small Light Studio Montreal, your safe playground for everything decently creative. So I'm using, as last time, my iPad Air with the Apple Pencil. And today we're going to explore a bit more the color wheel, which is found here in this little gadget at the bottom. We click there once and we get the color wheel. And many other things, but we're gonna focus on the color wheel for now. So for now we can choose black, and we're going to work with the geometrical forms, which are found right here at the top bar in the middle. Let's say we want to do a circle. On the bar on the left, if we click on the fountain pen, we can adjust its size, and we can see at the top that the mark that it'll leave changes. It becomes thicker as you go to the right. And then for the opacity, we're gonna leave it at 100 for now. So now we're gonna click and drag a rather big circle, and this is what we get. We pass on to the line tool to divide the circle in 3 parts. So you just click and drag, click and drag. And now we're gonna play around with the color wheel. Let's say we want to work with reds. We take one paler red, and then we pick the color bucket, which is here. And you should have the blue rectangle on the left, or next to the X sign. So once you click in a closed space, the bucket will just fill it with whatever color is active at the moment. Now we're gonna get a more saturated red. You can see at the top here, there's a rectangle with the previous color as a band of pink, in our case right now, and the new color. And you also get the complementary color, which in this case is a bright green. Then again, with the bucket selected, I click and I get the red, the intense red. Now we can go a bit darker in the diamond. Remember, the diamond is the square that's tipped at the middle of the color wheel. And there you have a darker red, which is almost a brown. We're going to follow with the second color. This time we're going to use a rectangle, which is found under the same geometrical form icon. Click and drag. Pick the line tool again. Divide. And now we're going to work with greens. We pick a green on the color wheel. We're going to take the most saturated one. Pick the color bucket and fill. And again, something a bit duller and more white. Click and you get the color. And one last time, a darker green. And this is what you get. So if ever you make a move and you don't like it, at the top right here, you have the undo button, which is actually an arrow going towards the left. And if you want to redo, it's the arrow that goes towards the right.